What if I told you some of the smartest people in the world never become wealthy? They earn college degrees, they solve complex problems, they excel in school, and many build successful careers. Yet, some still struggle financially for most of their lives. Why? If intelligence is so valuable, why doesn't it automatically create wealth? The truth is, being smart and becoming wealthy are two very different things. Because money doesn't simply reward intelligence. It rewards behavior, habits, decisions, and the ability to create value. In this video, we'll uncover why many highly intelligent people stay broke and the financial lessons anyone can learn to build lasting wealth. Let's begin.
Many intelligent people become experts in their professions. Doctors, engineers, scientists, lawyers, researchers. But very few schools teach how money actually works. Topics like budgeting, investing, taxes, compound growth, assets versus liabilities, passive income. Without financial education, even a high income can disappear quickly because earning money and managing money are completely different skills. Many people assume the more you earn, the richer you'll become. But that's not always true. Some people earn six-figure salaries, yet spend nearly everything they make. As income rises, their lifestyle also becomes more expensive. Bigger homes, luxury cars, expensive vacations, premium subscriptions. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly prevents many smart people from building wealth.
Many intelligent people build careers where, if they stop working, their income stops too. There's nothing wrong with having a job, but relying on only one source of income can be risky. Wealthy individuals often build assets that continue producing income. Businesses, stocks, rental properties, digital products, investments. These assets can generate value even when they're not actively working. Highly intelligent people often analyze every possible outcome. Sometimes they overthink. They wait for perfect conditions, perfect timing, perfect certainty. But success rarely comes with guarantees. Successful investors and entrepreneurs don't ignore risk. They study it, prepare for it, then take calculated action. Because waiting forever can become more expensive than making a carefully planned decision. Many brilliant ideas never become successful businesses. Why? Because they're never launched. Some people spend years planning, researching, improving, waiting. Meanwhile, someone with less knowledge, but more action, builds experience, learns faster, improves along the way. Progress often beats perfection. Saving money is important, but saving alone may not be enough to build long-term wealth. Money sitting idle often loses purchasing power over time because of inflation. Many wealthy individuals make their money work through investments, not because investing guarantees profits, but because they understand the importance of long-term growth. The goal isn't to chase quick riches, it's to build wealth steadily over many years. Perhaps the biggest misunderstanding is this. People believe wealth is mostly about intelligence. In reality, wealth often comes from habits, discipline, patience, consistency, learning continuously, making thoughtful financial decisions, and creating value for others. These skills can be developed regardless of your background. Being intelligent is a tremendous advantage,
But intelligence alone doesn't guarantee financial success. The people who build lasting wealth usually combine knowledge with action, income with investing, planning with execution, and ambition with discipline. Because becoming wealthy is rarely about knowing everything. It's about consistently making better financial decisions over time. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more finance, investing, and wealth building content. And tell us in the comments,